how to browse Jimmy John's catering menu on the website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you looking for catering and want to view the menu on Jimmy John's website? Then you're in the right place. First things first, open up your browser and go to Jimmy John's official website, and you can see the catering option right beside the menu. So just tap on it, and then you'll need to scroll down and you can see all of the menu divided by category here. So there are catering bundles, party boxes, box lunches, even desserts, sides, and drinks. So just choose the one of your choice. And under this, you can see all of the menu items. If you don't want it, then you can just come back to the menu and then you can look through other categories, and you can just scroll down and add to order if you want to. So it's as simple as that to view catering menu on Jimmy John's website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.